So we've got our cart sort of on the road. It still needs an MOT, and we had an issue with the gearbox. So this is the donor engine and gearbox. That gearbox has got to come off down in there because I'm pretty sure something horrible's happened to the dogs in the other gearbox. And then this entire engine is going to get stripped, cleaned. It does have good compression. Unfortunately, I can't start it because it's been rodented down there. All the wires for the pickups are gone. So the plan is to get the side case off, and then we'll try and get it started. Once I hear it run, this is destined for a complete rebuild. So obviously it will get taken apart, cleaned off, anything we find bad's gone. The variator looks okay. Clutch I'm not so sure about. And then we're going to probably Speeduino or similar this, so convert this to fuel injection, which should make the engine run much nicer and give us a little bit more power. And yeah, there's a lot of parts that need to come off. Eventually what I might do is take this top part off, get rid of the bottom completely, and build a cradle so I can sort of work on this. So what we'll probably do is keep all these outers, but the top parts here, which are obviously load bearing for the purposes of the suspension system, can go. It means I can run the engine, run the gearbox, test everything and be sure of what's happening before it goes on. I can't put this back end on the cart because this is just, yeah, this is horribly rotten, so I'm not interested in reusing this. And the one on the cart is subtly different. It appears that there are multiple versions of the Kinroad, not just one version. So yeah, the other one has some subtle differences, but enough to be annoying. For example, I can't reuse any of the axles off of this, although I think I can use the parts. I do need to take that I don't know what you call it, brain's just gone. I do need to take that gear wheel off the bottom of there because I think the Woodruff key is nerfed in ours. I have some suspicions about the other one, the state of the other one's cylinder head and piston, because I noticed this morning there's an awful lot of blow-by going on. So yeah, but next thing for this really is going to be drain the oil off. I've drained most of it, and pull that side cover off, which is going to make an unholy mess. But what I'm probably going to do is go for that gearbox first, because that's the thing I need.